Alright guys, I've got something a little different for you today. The Armalaser Weapontronics TR10. It's a grip touch activated laser sight that they make for a lot of different firearms. This one is for the Sky CPX 1, 2, and 3. This is the one that came on. I'm cleaning the gun, so I have to take the laser off to get a good ultrasonic cleaning on it. And it's very simple to do actually. I'm going to show you a few things about the laser, and then we'll take it apart, and then you just put it back together the same way we take it apart. But it is grip activated. See these two little touch pads right here? It's kind of like your kids' toys when you touch them, those that you play in with the tub and stuff. It's kind of like that. So you have your grip activated right here. It actually touches your finger when you grip the gun. Now I've already cleared this gun. Chamber's empty, magazine's empty. So we're going to go and drop the slide. And it's got a pretty big battery. I don't know how long the battery will last. I did not read about that. Yeah, I don't see how long the battery will last, but I'm assuming it'll last pretty long, simply because it's not on. The only time it's on, now when I grip the gun, when I put my finger, alright, I'm going to put my fingers, I'm going to try to hit the, alright, there we go. If you see the laser on my camera cap, I mean, it is pretty quick activated. Now I did grab the gun a couple times, and I had to get used to actually gripping the gun. Sometimes it doesn't come on right away until you get that real good, when you get your grip in there, and I guess when you really get a hard grip on it, your fingers or my fingers fill up in. So I grab it here, and it immediately comes on. This isn't bad. I kind of like this. I'd like to do some shooting with them. In fact, I might buy one of these for one of my guns to check it out. But it literally just clips onto your trigger guard right in here. You can see where it's joined right there. Let's see if we can get a good picture. And it's got two screws. It's got screw here and screw there. That's what holds it together. And it kind of clips on and then screwed in. Your battery's right here. One screw, kind of this part kind of clips down in, and then the screw right there. But yeah, I kind of like this. This was the red laser. She said they were out of the green lasers. I personally like the green lasers. The green lasers, my eyes pick up on green quicker than red. At day or night, doesn't matter, whatever type of shooting you're doing, my eyes pick up quicker on the green. And my dots, I don't carry red dots, I carry green dots, because my eyes just immediately pick up on the green. So that's one thing you need to do if you're choosing a laser. I can see the red and I can pick up on it, but it just picks up quicker on that green laser. For my eyes, and I know a lot of your eyes are going to be different. You're going to pick up on the red better than the green. So that's one thing you need to judge when you're at the stores looking at them or whatever. See if they'll let you try the green and red side by side, see which ones your eyes picks up on quicker and which one you like better. So yeah, this is the Armalaser Weapontronics TR10. And this is the grip touch activated laser. Again, this is for the Sky CPX 1, 2, and 3. It will fit all of them. And again, it is just grip activated, just finger touch activated. You get your finger up in there and it's automatically on. Off, on, off, on. So this is pretty cool. I like this. So now, to pull it apart, the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to pull the battery out. Alright, so the little cap just pops off, and the battery's right there. This is actually a pretty big battery. It's coming, there we go. So this is a fairly decent sized battery. I have a feeling this battery will last a long time. You'll probably put this in there and it'll probably be years before you have to replace it. I'd say at least, I'll say 2 or 3, but probably more like 5. You probably won't have to replace this for a long time, unless you do a whole lot of training, which I do suggest, but even then I would assume that it would last a couple. Now we're going to take these 2 screws out. We're going to clean this gun, and then we're going to, I'm actually going to make a custom holster for the laser. They're hard to find. So this lady had actually come through my concealed weapons classes, and we offer cleaning and custom holster making. Alright. Now we're just popping it apart right here. It pops off like that. And then you just pull that part out and it pops off. That's exactly, that's it. It's that easy to assemble and disassemble. Now the assembly, a while ago when I pulled it apart earlier and then putting it back on, that's all you do. You kind of clip this part in and then kind of twist around. And then this part right here will actually go in that part first because it slides underneath right there. And then you just push it down. And guys, that's it for this laser. This is all that's to it. So this is a fairly easy assembly. Oh, let me get the right hole there. You just take your little screwdriver. Alright, so and then the battery goes in positive side up. Or that's at least the way it came out, so that's the way I'm putting it back in. And then this little thing, if you can see on there, you kind of go in like that. So you push the battery. Go ahead and give it a good push down, so it's not, there's a little lip down in there, you just got to get it past. Then you push the battery down, and then you kind of clip it in like that. And you just hold it. Then I'm going to make sure that the screws are nice and snug. Alright, and everything looks good. Grip it off, grip it off. Yeah, I think I like that. So this is one you could check out. This is the Armalaser Weapontronics TR10 grip touch activated laser. Yeah, if you're looking for a laser that's easy to assemble to your gun and doesn't take up much space on your gun, you know, it's not big, it's not bulky. So as far as carrying your gun, it wouldn't be that big of a deal. With extra holster. We're in Anderson, South Carolina, so if you're in Anderson or close to Anderson, you could drop your gun off if you wanted a custom holster made for a laser like this. We could do that. That's what we're doing for this one. We pulled it off, cleaned it. Now we're going to, I had to put it back on. Figured I'd come on here and show you what it's all about. Now I'm going to make a holster for it. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you that laser. Thanks. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video below. Thanks.